Hey guys, and welcome to this video. Today I want to find the value of this expression. As we know, multiplication and division are equally important in order of operations. So according to the KCF, that is, keep first fraction, change division to multiplication, and flip the next fraction. Now keep first fraction, change division to multiplication, and flip the next fraction. 1 over 4, 4 over 1, and times 4. Now we have one fraction. Numerator is 40 times 4 times 4. 40 times 4 times 4 gives us 640. Over 1 times 1 times 1 gives us 1. The final answer is 640. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and like if you like this video. Thank you.